Hey YouTube, Josh here, and today we are going to build a little hoist arm for my Predator. So this thing is, I think it's only without gas 110 pounds, but it is really awkward to lift. And to be honest, I've already had one back surgery and I don't need to have another one. So I need a way to get this on top of that trailer really easy. I don't want to be lifting it on and off every time I want to use it. I don't want it on the trailer because it vibrates. And if there was a fire or something, you know, and then the noise. So I want to be able to put this onto the trailer over here really easy. So this is what I came up with. This is usually where my generator sits when I'm hauling it. And what I've come up with is, I think I'm gonna put some kind of arm here and a hinge. This is gonna be all DIY, of course, for this channel. And this will be about 16 inches. It will come out and it will swing like this. So that way, when I put my generator down here, I can swing it out and then just simply lower it. So how am I gonna lower it? Well, I have this winch that I mounted to pull the trailer up. So what I'll do is I'll just mount that, or get that hook, put it over the arm with a little loop, and I should just be able to hoist the trailer up, or the generator up, pivot the arm, and just set it down really easy. So if you want to check out this winch, it's just a little Harbor Freight winch. And I use this little cover here. It's a Badland winch, and I made this winch plate for it. And it's very strong because it pulled this giant camper up here. So this here is my power line. And if I untangle it all, one more, I can hook it up to here. So I did run a full-size battery cable all the way from the battery, or one of the batteries. This truck has two batteries. It's not diesel, it's just a work truck model. And plug it in there. Then, when I want to use my winch, I have a little switch here. Or I can plug in the remote. Pretty cool little setup, so that's the plan. Let's go ahead and get it done. So this is what I have so far. I got my tube cut, getting ready to notch it. And got my cigar. Today it's a My Father cigar. Antigua, I think is the name of it. Really good. So I'm gonna notch this tube here. And this is what I came up with for the hinge. So I had these left over from another project that I never used, and I really like the tie rod inserts that have the hex on them. So these I won't use. I ordered the wrong ones. But what's nice is I have this tube. They fit in perfect, and I'll weld here, and I'll weld here, and that should make a little hinge. I don't know. Might have to put a little extension there or something. All right, so this is what I have so far. Here's my hinge. Got the arm coming out. And now I'm trying to figure out how to put something so that the winch wire, and it is metal, so it's gonna need to be pretty strong, like be able to take some abuse, can go through on the arm. So I do have this D-ring that I lost the pin to, so it's really strong. Thinking maybe I can do something like that, or like this. I don't know, gotta figure it out. Anyway, that's where I'm at so far. So this is what I have so far. I just went ahead and just welded it to the side pillar here of the trailer. Got my hinge, still hot. And it does move, not real well. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to lubricate it a little bit. I'll figure that out. I mean, I kind of like that it doesn't move real easy, so it doesn't flop around, but we'll see. Throw some oil in there once it cools down. I did have to put this pin in the back. It just comes out. It's not even threaded, it's just there. So I may have to make a way to like not lose that. This just comes out. That stops the arm from moving. It does move and swivel very easy now. I just put a little bit of lubrication and it does wonders. So once I put the pin in, I use the winch and just hooks up here. I did have to put some little screws on the straps to get them to stop going together. And what's nice is the hook actually fits through here, so I can easily remove the hook, but it'll probably live here for most of the time. Pretty happy with that. Saves my back. No issues. And then when I'm done, just remove the pin. Come on. There we go. Remove the pin. And it stores this way. Put that there. And it's up. And it saves my back. To unload it, do the same thing. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching.